Yo, what's good, you guys? Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching. This is a new type of video we're doing called McMillan Fridays. Basically what this is we're going to be going around the shop, showcasing what everyone's doing around the shop today, kind of get a personal feel for the shop. It's going to be a weekly occurrence every Friday, if not maybe more, like Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. I don't know, we're gonna kind of gauge to see how this goes. Comment down below if you like these types of videos. Comment down below if you do anything different. All feedback is greatly appreciated. So yeah, here we go. It's 7:30 a.m. and let's get the show on the road. Alright, as you can see, 8 a.m. got to the shop. Got some projects going on here. Not projects, but you know, some jobs going on here. We'll kind of dive more into that in a bit. Yeah, I'm kind of like the second one here, so we'll wait till everyone comes in to really start off the vlog. Alright guys, yeah, we made it to the shop right now. It's about 8 a.m. give or take. Here with Dylan. What do you got going on, Dylan?
Right now we're doing a CVIP on this freaking massive truck. But it's welcome to heavy duty for you. Everything's big.
Yeah, no doubt, eh?
So we're pulling wheels, pulling all the drums off, going to do our measurements on our drums, on our brakes, check tire pressures, tread depths, make sure there's no slashes in the sidewalls of the tires, make sure everything's working properly.
Right on. Right on. Yeah, so we'll get some B-roll of that, you know, put some music over or whatever, but yeah, enjoy.
Now listen. Now listen. Now listen. Now listen. Now listen.
So that's all gonna have to be cleaned up quite well. See, if you look close, see when I move the oil, see the metal in the oil?
Oh yeah, you can really see it now. Yeah. What would that be from?
Well, it's a planetary, so they do produce quite a bit of filing.
Okay.
But that looks excessive to me. So we'll take a really good look at all of our gears, bearings, make sure none of our hard surfacing is coming apart. No shit.
All right, we're here with Aaron. What do you got going on, man?
Ripped apart an HVAC box. It's with this ram over here. Yeah, basically heated core blue, and she's dirty as all heck. So taking her apart so we can clean her all up before we put her back together. So at least she, smells nice when we put her back together.
Yeah. You can't have heat. Sorry. You can't go through winter without heat. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of, I guess, what we got going on. But yeah, it's crazy. Whole dash is out, as you guys can see. Crazy, crazy. Yo, thanks. Oh, that's the heater core, yeah.
No, this is the evaporator.
Oh, okay.
That's part of the AC system, but it stands in line in front of the heater core.
Okay, that's disgusting.
Oh yeah. That'd be why it wasn't blowing so cold.
Yeah. Oh.
Or warm, or at all.
Yeah, that's dirty, man.
This when we did the transmission, we're also going to do a transmission cooler, which is integral with the radiator. So
Okay, right on.
Abby's working away on that one. Not too sure what the hell we're up to.
Clean that up. As you guys can see, the previous clip, it was pretty mucked up. Looks clean. Nice, man.
Yay! My corner. Perfect spot for me. Thanks, Cody.
You know what? Make sure I shout that every time.
You can use it as a desk, so you just get the fuck off of my desk.
I don't see a name on it.
Oh yeah, you do.
Oh, that kills me, man.
I'm young, but I got an answer for everything.
How is that a name? Huh? How is that a name?
Because you know what it means.
So if you guys are wondering, it's a 3500 HD GM. I guess you guys were driving down the highway and it just shot a piston, yeah? Or shot a conrod or something?
Oh yeah. Coming back from a service call.
Yeah.
And she's always had a tick noise, hence why we call her Ticky.
Okay, yeah.
And yeah, came up to Devon Bridge, and just on the other side of it, she started getting real loud and real worse, and
Oh,
all
man.
of a sudden, boom. So
Wow. So what motor, like, is the same motor that you guys are swapping it for, yeah?
yeah, same for same. It's a Chevrolet truck. LT.
Okay. Nice.
So same for same. Apparently, this one still has a valve train tick, so it will forever be known as Ticky.
It'd always be known as Ticky.
We will we'll try to fix the valve train tick before we put it in, but
Yeah.
it's a shop truck, so
Right, yeah.
as long as she gets us from A to B. Okay. What's that? I still got a whole bunch of pounds. I know. I'm just getting a little bit of tension on it for you.
Engine mounts are coming out. That boy will be in soon enough. So how come these things like tick so bad? Like, you know, how come it's such like a common problem for these like motors?
Hydraulic lifters. It's a common problem with everything.
Oh, okay, like Hemis as well then, yeah?
Really. It's a common problem with everything with hydraulic lifters.
Oh, okay.
People don't do their oil changes and then
Yeah.
they fail.
Okay.
We're diligent about our oil changes, but we bought this truck so 2 years ago,
Okay.
2.5 years ago, we bought this truck sight unseen, kind of in a pinch because our other service truck got into an accident and
Okay.
it got smashed.
Yeah.
So we just, it was in Calgary, and I literally drove up through the night one night because we had to have a truck back on site in like 2 days.
Yeah, yeah.
So I bought it.
Quick.
Even on the way home, I was like, yeah, this engine's fucked. Like, this is no good. But it lasted, we drove it like that for 2 years with it just kind of clacking and knocking away.
Yeah, yeah.
And
it's a long time to drive it like that, yeah.
Yeah, it was a long go. And yeah, and then we put it back on the, and then finally, Mr. Heavy Foot there, he finished her off.
Yeah.
Now we're swapping an engine.
Yeah.
We were planning on rebuilding it kind of when we didn't need the truck anymore.
Right.
Like when we had time to put it down.
Yeah.
But that time never really came.
Yeah.
So.
And then it met its demise, I guess.
You're good. Go.
Little boom. Oh.
Oh wow.
That's the piston.
No, that's.
Yeah, that's piston, dude.
Oh, that is piston too.
It's fine. It's totally fine.
Oh yeah, that's normal.
Yeah. That's how a connecting rod's supposed to work. It's Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
That's just a little one.
That one's fine. A little bit JB Welch, good to go.
Exactly.
Sorry, Dad.
Was worse, but it
Oh yeah.
So first week it exploded. Wow.
Yeah, like called Gordon like, hey buddy.
I don't even want to know.
It's fine. I tried to call him and he didn't answer. Just please text me. All right. So Ticky is no more. But on the bright side, I put out the fire.
Yeah.
I believe that was the text.
Wow.
Yeah, it was the text, and I was like, why'd you put out the fire? Let it burn. It's worth more burned.
Sorry. I know the fire captain in Devon. She would have blamed me.
That's quite the first week.
I think it's lunchtime though.
Alright, you guys, that was part 1 of the McMillan Friday. We cut it a little bit short because we didn't get enough time to really film everything in the video. But stay tuned for part 2 where we finish the engine swap and then do some more fun stuff around the shop. But as of right now, please like, comment, and subscribe. That would be greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. If you come from TikTok or any other social media, comment down below. And again, all feedback is appreciated, so if you do anything different, please let us know down below. And have yourself a great day. Thank you for watching. Peace. Say bye to the camera.